Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we'll be making zesty chicken and pasta. So we've got a skillet heating up over medium-high heat with a little bit of oil. We have our pasta water boiling away with a little bit of oil and salt. We're going to drop our pasta into the water. Alright, now as that's going, we need to begin to saute our chicken. And with our chicken, we have some red bell pepper that we're going to saute as well. Some sliced onion. I have some broccoli as well, but we'll wait a few minutes to add that. So we'll let that start cooking together. Sprinkle with a little salt, some fresh cracked black pepper. Got some Parmesan cheese that we're going to sprinkle over at the end. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and add some of our broccoli in. And while all of this is going, we have our asparagus in our steamer, just steaming until it turns nice and bright green. 8 to 10 minutes top, depending on the thickness of your asparagus. Just a couple more minutes here on our pasta. Alright, so we're ready to drain our pasta. And what I'm going to do, do it right here at the stove. At this point, our chicken is 95% of the way there. So what we can do at this point, make a well in the center. Get right in with our pasta. Reduce the heat. And bring everybody together. Alright, kill the heat. Alright, we've killed the heat. I'm going to take some of our Parmesan cheese. Sprinkle in, and this dish is done. So we're going to plate it up, and we'll show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.